about some words before we get started, so I need everybody's hands right here. Put them up, okay? First word we want to talk about is misbehaving. Do this. Misbehaving. What does it mean if you misbehave? Because when I think about, where's my prefix son? Oh, I think it's buried behind my screen. Right? We talked about miss being a
delta.
It is a delta. Very smart, Brooklyn. But miss was a prefix, right? What did miss mean? Do you remember that prefix? What did miss mean? What does it mean, Emmett? Not. So if you're misbehaving, that means you're
Not
behaving. And like Brooklyn said, that's being a delta. That's not helping your classroom. That's not helping. So when we misbehave, we act badly. We're not following directions. We're not doing what we're supposed to do. We don't have that problem in here, right? Do you think they might have that problem in here? Maybe. Yes, ma'am. That's very true. Awesome. Now we want to talk about drawn. Everybody do this. I didn't see everybody. Everybody do this. Okay, so drawn means closed, right? You might have heard someone say, I have to draw the curtains. That means I have to close the curtains, right? So drawn means closed. We're going to hear that word in here, but I wanted you to make sure you know what it is. And now everybody, knock on the ground, okay? We're going to hear about this word called wrapped, and that means that we hit something sharply or quickly. So we're not going to do that because we'll hurt our hand, but you put your hands back in your lap. We're going to see that happen in here. Somebody's going to hit something hard, quick. I know, this might be a little scary. I don't know. We're going to have to look for those words. So we're looking for misbehaving, which means not behaving. We're going to look for drawn, which means close. And we're going to look for that word wrapped, which means banging, loud, hard. Don't do it. It's going to hurt your hands. All right. I know that you're going to be listening, right? We don't talk about it. The expectations, our hands are in our lap. We're sitting straight and tall. We're ready to go. Here we go. Claire, go grab a snack, my love. The kids in room 207 were misbehaving again. Spitballs stuck to the ceiling. Paper planes whizzed through the air. They were the worst behaved class in the whole school. In the whole school. So what was that word we said that we're going to use to describe them? Misbehaving. And if you look at the picture, friends, they are definitely misbehaving. They have spit. Ew, who wants to be in a classroom with spitballs? Let me show you how I would make an inference on this page, right? If I'm an IDR and I'm relaxed, I'm in my spot over here and I'm reading, and I'm thinking, I read all these words, spitballs, planes. My inference is, I'm looking at their poor teacher, and I don't think she's very happy. And I think she's probably sad. So my inference is, Miss Nelson is missing. I wonder if Miss Nelson ran a... What, do you blame her?
No.
I would leave too. I wouldn't want to stay here. No way. So there's my inference. Now, if I was an IDR, would I be over here? Oh, class?
Yes.
I know it's silly. Let's listen. Would I be over here in IDR saying this out loud? No. Putting it on my post-it because Emmett said we're going to get a post-it. I didn't put it on post-it. On this page 3, Miss Nelson looks sad. My inference is she might
Run
away. And why? What's my evidence? Because the evidence is because
while a lot of kids are like doing the thing.
What's that word again? They're doing what?
They're misbehaving.
Right. So I wouldn't blame her. All right, let's keep going. Here we go. Now settle down, said Miss Nelson in a sweet voice. But the class would not settle down. They whispered and they giggled. They squirmed and made faces. Well, I would not want to be in that class. I'm thinking to myself, I'm reading my IDR, I'm thinking, I don't want to be in that class. Goodness, no. I wouldn't want to be in that class. Not respecting each other for sure, or their learning, or their time. All right, here we go. They were even rude during story hour. Look at this. We're having story time right now. Good thing we don't act like that. I mean, on his head. Again, I'm looking at poor Miss Nelson, and I'm making that inference. I think she's going to probably go missing because look at how these kids are treating her.